Bloomberg, 2019 iPhones can charge AirPods. The cameras will have increased zoom and auto correction feature. So this is not anything new, but when Bloomberg jumps into it, it usually means it's happening. It usually means it's real. They got the inside scoop. Mr. Mark Gurman, you know how he does it. This is his whole thing. He is Mr. Apple reporting, deep diving himself. He can come on the show if he wants. You know, it's an open invite. He's going deep. He's deep diving. And that's what we appreciate. So he's looked into it, done some investigation here, and he seems pretty confident in some specifications, including the new processor. They're going to call the A13, which they claim went into early test production in April and mass production planned for as early as this month. But it looks like Apple's gonna take something from Samsung's book here with the reverse wireless charging. So now your AirPods will charge like your Galaxy Buds from the back of your iPhone. That's pretty cool. And the zoom we kind of already knew about. We saw the leaks with the extra lenses. Is it that interesting? Is it enough? I don't know. It's not that big of a deal to me, but let's just say I'm pretty confident now. Maybe even a little beyond confident. Maybe I'm extremely confident. The next iPhone is going to look like this right here.
No, this is actually the
yeah, that's the R. That's the R. That's the R mock-up. But the non-R version will look like that as well. It'll just have the extra zoom lens on it. It's going to have this pancake thing on the back in the top corner. Some people hate it. Bloomberg talked about it. Mr. Mark Gurman says it's happening. So just get ready. Get used to it. That's your reality now, iPhone people. And good luck to you.